In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any mobile device you have, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube application. Then on the bottom right, you're going to see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now at this stage, you don't see your subscribers yet, but at the very top, you're going to see view channel as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see your subscribers right under your @ So you see your profile name or your display name. Then you're going to see your username right under it. And then right under that, you're going to see the subscribers you have. I can also then just click on it and then I can see my latest subscribers or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Alternatively, what I could also do is use YouTube Studio if I have that application downloaded, but you don't have to use that just to see your subscribers. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.